Siraj to take the seat. Adnan sir, आप बैठ जाइए. आप बैठिए.
पूरा फुल था
Professor Akhtar also to join the celebrations. Please, sir. Thank you so much.
Help us out giving away the certificates and in organizing these programs.
लग रहा
and friends.
today, Dr. Vaishnava, I'm taking the first thing. And then I congratulate Dr. Vaishnava for arranging this function for National Law Day. Is it ironical that there are 4 or 5 bar associations in Hyderabad? There are judges, there are retired judges, associations of retired judges, district police officers association, retired High Court and Supreme Court judges association. There is bar council in Hyderabad, but none of these bodies has thought fit to observe National Law Day. After all, they are more concerned with law, but because of Dr. Narayan to notice of the attempt to bring to notice of the people the importance of the National Law Day and the importance of our Constitution. We observe this day as on this day in 1949 our Constitution was adopted. So it came into force with effect from 1950. I will tell you briefly something about our Constitution. India is a country of immigrants. Many people from many parts of the world came here and settled down. We are a country of diverse religions, different languages, different traditions. But we are supposed to be an example of unity in diversity. During freedom struggle, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, all Indians united and fought together, and they had some values. Those values of the freedom struggle for our independence incorporated in our Constitution. Ours is not only the longest Constitution, but by far the most perfect, supposed to be the most perfect Constitution in the world. The preamble tells us what values imbue and guided the Constitution makers in adopting this Constitution. What is rule of law? Rule of law contemplates that nobody will be interfering with our rights, the way we live, the manner we live, what we do, where we go, what we eat, and our property. The law contemplates no interference. And
few more honors to be done. I request you to do the honor. I request other dignitaries on the stage also to join hand with Chandraya sir to do this honor. I request, please stand. Please stand. May I request, humbly request, DSP Mr. Subhash, please come on the stage. He is also there with the law. He is there with Human Rights Commission. May I request Subhash sir to come on the stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, few more things.
Yeah.
Now may I humbly request Honorable Justice Dr. G. Yettirajulu sir to please say a few words and give your impression on this occasion.
Honorable Chief Justice Namanrao garu, Honorable Justice Srimati Rajini garu, Secretary, President of the Telangana Citizens Council, Rajanarayan Mudras, Secretary of the Council, Dr. Muhammad Vikram Ali, Sudha Madam, and other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Today happens to be the birthday of Rajanarayan. I convey my best wishes to him on his birthday. Many returns of the day, many returns of the day. So I congratulate the Citizens Forum for organizing this meeting, because all lawmen forgot Lade and all laymen performing the Lade. That is the situation. But anyhow, మనందరికీ తెలుసు భారత రాజ్యాంగం చాలా గొప్ప రాజ్యాంగం. అన్ని హక్కులు, అందరి హక్కులు ఇందులో ఇమిడి ఉన్నాయి. మనం దాన్ని అన్వయించుకోవడాన్ని బట్టి ఉంటుంది. మనకి ఏ హక్కు ఉంది అనేది వెతికితే అందులో తప్పనిసరిగా హక్కు ఉంటుంది. అయితే మనం అందరం ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం చైతన్యవంతులం అవుతున్నాం హక్కుల మేరకు, కానీ మన బాధ్యతలు మనం మర్చిపోతున్నాం. ప్రతి పౌరుని తాలూకా బాధ్యత ఏమిటి, రాజ్యాంగంలో ఏం చెప్పింది, మనం ఎలా ప్రవర్తించాలి, ఇతరులను ఎలా గౌరవించాలి, మన వృత్తికి ఎంతవరకు న్యాయం చేయాలి అనే బాధ్యతలు కూడా తెలుసుకొని దాని ప్రకారం వెళ్ళినట్లయితే ప్రజలందరూ సుఖశాంతులతో హాయిగా ఉండడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. రాజ్యాంగంలో పొందుపరిచిన న్యాయ సూత్రాలను బట్టి, ప్రాథమిక హక్కులను బట్టి దాన్ని సుప్రీంకోర్టు, హైకోర్టు చాలా ఎన్లార్జ్ చేశారు. ఆ హక్కుని ఇంకా ఎక్కువ పరిధి వచ్చేటట్టు దాన్ని అన్వయించి కొత్త భాష్యాలు చెప్పారు. రైట్ టు హెల్త్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్, రైట్ టు షెల్టర్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్, Right to education is a fundamental right. Right to speedy justice is a fundamental right. What not? Right to food is a fundamental right. So all rights have been incorporated and they were made part of Article 21 of the Constitution.
Because she is grooming the society. She is a yoga trainer. UV Nagalakshmi madam. I request her also to come on the stage. I now humbly request Honorable Justice Srimati T. Rajani madam to give her impression.
Honorable Justice Chandraya garu, Honorable Justice Aman Rao garu, Honorable Justice
ये
Raju,
से 4-5 फोटो
dignitaries of dais, Srimati Rajashree, Principal of Kasturba Gandhi Law College, and Major Jayasudha, Law Day. So the significance of Law Day, you all know. We have adopted the Constitution for ourselves. We have given the Constitution for ourselves. So I should, in the foremost, congratulate the Telangana Citizens Council on having a thought to celebrate this day. And I am sure that this celebration is not meant only for celebrating the fact of adopting the Constitution, but this is for the celebration of the principles underlying the Constitution, as was already spoken to by the earlier speakers.
सिंगल लेना
We have
स्टेज को छोड़
certain goals for the Constitution. Our preamble sets out equality, liberty, justice and fraternity as the goals of the Constitution. The grand norm, as I can understand, is the rule of law. We have been selected as awardees of Nyaya Shiromani. That's too big a title. I don't know how far I deserve that title, but from the knowledge that I have from the other awardees and the knowledge that I have about myself with a little introspection, I can say that we are committed to upholding the rule of law. The rule of law has as its heartbeat a norm of live and let live. When I read the Constitution, underlying each article of the Constitution, I see that this has been the heartbeat of each of the articles of the Constitution. So the grand norm again comes to be the rule that everyone have to follow, live and let live. And this appears to me as the greatest principle of life. So if we can understand the essence of this small norm, we'll reach the goal of the Constitution, which is fraternity. Among all the 4 goals set out in the preamble of the Constitution, I find this goal of fraternity to be the goal which allows us to reach the other goals. Simple feeling of brotherhood. It means nothing more than feeling of brotherhood. So just imagine if we can promote this sense of brotherhood in a society, I think all the other norms can be easily achieved. That is equality, justice and liberty. So I take this opportunity to plead with all the members who are gathered here, more particularly the law students. They are the torch bearers of the future society, that they should understand and analyze each of the legal provisions and understand the essence of the legal provisions and try to carry forward the theme underlying each of the legal provisions. So also the goals of the Constitution. So with this little appeal to you on this day, I conclude. Thank you.
Sir and you in Nagalakshmi madam to join hand in garlanding Dr. Rajlan Mugiraj. इधर कल से राजनारायण की ऑनर चेयरमैन है His honor Justice Chandraya. Sir, let the garland be there with you, Justice Chandraya sir. And now it's your turn, sir. Let the garland be there with you. Let it be there, sir. May I humbly request you to please put the garland. Thank you. Now I request our chief guest, Honorable Justice Sri Chief Chandraya sir, to give his impression.
पूछागा
Academic sir, please.
जी कौन सा करता अच्छा वेट्स गार्डन हाँ अच्छा
ఈరోజు భారత రాజ్యాంగ దినోత్సవం, దాన్ని మరో పరిభాషలో జాతీయ న్యాయ దినోత్సవం అంటున్నాం. జాతీయ న్యాయ దినోత్సవం మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా
फुल्ली
1978లో